smells underneath as it is pouring with rain rather than staying plain. I thought it's light, so I'm going to go to Golders Green in the rain. Let's see how much. I can't go outside, it's raining so heavily, but I'm in the car. So the weather has given me an idea to go around all these roads around Brent Cross Tube Station and just show you what's there, because it might be pissing down here, pardon mon français, but it isn't actually really showing on the video. So this is Beachfield Gardens and I'll go around the block. Right, you can see where I am now. Junction of Golders Manor Drive and Western Avenue, because once upon a time, a long time ago, after the war, so many people around this area spoke like this because they're from Vienna and places the same in Berlin and all of that, that they wanted to come and live in Golders Green, which was a very nice area at the time and probably still is, and this was the result. I will see you in a moment on Sinclair Grove probably. This is just the other side of the same view, which is Sinclair Grove Junction there. There in the background is North Circular Hendon beyond. Those little houses way at the end of Golders Green. Sorry, this side of Golders Green. Those lorries and things flying past the North Circular, and beyond that, just beyond the little houses are Hendon. This is St Mary's Road, one of the drearier parts of Golders Green, but nonetheless worth recording. Very long terraces of not quite as grotty. Okay, the weather has now improved slightly, so I can leave the car. This is Woodstock Road, just coming off from the drive, Golders Green. As you see it over here, not such a very nice road, but probably some nice German people who are about 80 or 90 years old now, if they are still living here, and if not, they probably did. Thank you. Another seemingly nondescript road here called the Grove. Not many people know or care about, but still an essential part of northwest London's history. And there is a derelict factory which even I didn't know about. So there you go, a few surprises. I'll just go around the bend or around the corner as it should be. No, there is no bend or corner, but Limes Avenue at the end. That's Sobel House just at the end, you can see, which in about a year will be demolished. So as we say goodbye to Golders Green for another day with the rain just finishing, this is your cameraman signing off.